Hello and happy Easter, my friends. Welcome to the 454th episode here on Ellen's Homemade Delight. Hope all you are doing well and staying safe and healthy. My name is Ellen. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my Southern Kitchen. Can you believe Easter is right around the corner? It's upon us. Next to Thanksgiving and Christmas, Easter is one of my favorite holidays. I am a big fan of peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Loved it since my childhood and still love it today. But why not turn it into pancakes? That's right, sugar. Today I'm going to share with all of you some peanut butter and jelly pancakes. Doesn't get any better than that. And my friends, it is full of peanut butter and jelly goodness. Simple and easy to make, and as always, it is the bomb.com delicious. These would be perfect to serve for your Easter brunch and a great recipe to make with your kids. If y'all a fan of peanut butter and jelly sandwiches like I am, this is your recipe. Y'all gonna love it, love it, love it. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my other Easter recipes and my previous video, Southern Banana Pudding. I'll post links to all those down below in the description box. So grab your strawberries, your peanut butter, and heat up your griddle sugar, because we're about to cook some peanut butter and jelly pancakes magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, the first step we're going to do is make our berry sauce. For this recipe, I'm using strawberries, or you can use blueberries, raspberries, blackberries, whatever your heart desires. So over here in my pot, I got the fire over medium heat. I add in 1 pint of fresh strawberries that I rinsed, and I cut them in half. And in 2 hour strawberries, we're going to add in 1/4 cup plus 6 tablespoons of white sugar, 1/2 cup of water, and 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Give this a quick stir. Gonna bring it to a boil. Alright, my friends, the strawberries has came to a boil and the sugar dissolved. So now we're gonna cut the heat down to low and we're gonna let it cook for 10 minutes. Alright, my friends, and just that quickly, our strawberry syrup is complete. And off camera, I strained the berries and mashed them up to get rid of the excess pulp. So now we're going to set it aside while we work on our pancake batter. In my bowl, I have 1 cup of self-rising flour. And we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of white sugar. Give it a quick whisk. Alright, so now we're going to set the dry ingredients aside while we work on the wet ingredients. In my large bowl, I have 1/2 cup of creamy peanut butter that I melted on the stove under a double boiler. And we're going to add in 1 cup of buttermilk, plus 2 tablespoons. 1 jumbo egg at room temperature, 1/2 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and 2 tablespoons of canola oil. Give this a quick whisk until it's well incorporated. Alright, my friends, now we're going to slowly add the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. You can smell the peanut butter. Smells amazing. Last of the flour. And continue whisking until it's well incorporated and you don't see any lumps. So now we're going to let the pancake batter rest for 5 minutes. Alright my friends, the pancake batter is rested, now ready to cook them. I have my griddle preheated, or you can use a skillet. So now I'm going to spray my griddle with some butter flavored cooking spray, or you can use butter. So we're going to use my 1/3 of a cup measurement and just scoop it, the batter onto the griddle, like so. Hear that sizzle? That's what you want. Alrighty, so now we're going to let the pancakes cook until they're golden brown and you no longer see any bubbles on top. Alright my friends, time to flip the pancakes. Here we go. Gorgeous! Beautiful. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish cooking the rest of my pancakes and I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I'm through cooking my pancakes and I have 3 on my plate. Now it's time for the final step. Gonna drizzle on the strawberry syrup that we made earlier, the jelly, a dollop of whipped cream, and a strawberry right on top. Just like that. Isn't that pretty? And there you have it, my friends. Peanut butter and jelly pancakes. Doesn't it look delicious? Who doesn't want this for breakfast or brunch? Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. It's light and fluffy, and the peanut butter is not overpowering, has the right balance, and that strawberry sauce is incredible. This reminds me of eating a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. This is spectacular, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Peanut butter and jelly pancake-licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Instagram or send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. I'll see you next time. Let's eat. Much love. Stay safe and happy Easter.